Well, a Chapter 7, I can tell you, when you file it, it's a lot quicker than a Chapter 13. Chapter 7 only lasts, from the time of filing, it can only last possibly, if everything comes out cleanly, probably only 7 months. And then at that point, it takes about 7 to 8 years to get off your credit. However, Chapter 7, you're still, if it's necessary, you still are eligible to borrow money. Chapter 13 lasts 3 to 5 years. After that period, it's 5 to 7 years while it stays on your credit. Now, obviously, you don't want, it doesn't look great on your credit, but there are ways during the bankruptcy or after you complete the bankruptcy to do certain things to make your credit go up quicker. For instance, if you get a Chapter 7 discharge, you could get, I recommend people a lot of times, get a small credit card that you can afford, pay it off every month. That's a great way to build back your credit, and it won't look as bad in the future. But thank you so much, Stan. We always appreciate you calling, and I hope that helps you out a little bit.
And Alex, you mentioned the Chapter 7 is liquidation. Is the 13
yes,
where you are still making payments?
That's
got
correct.
An arrangement?
I consider Chapter 13 more, it's a reorganization, but it's also a consolidation. Mm-hmm. You're basically consolidating all the bills that you need to pay back into one payment that goes through the trustee, the Chapter 13 trustee, who here in Macon, Georgia, in the Middle District is Camille Hope. Her office does a great job, but they actually distribute for it. A lot of times, you can lower interest rates by filing a Chapter 13, and the fact that you can set up a payment where it's withdrawn from your paycheck. You don't even have to worry about it. It just comes out every month. But it just depends on your situation. I like to talk to people and go over it and see which, if filing bankruptcy works for you, and which chapter's best in your situation.
Right.